Okay, welcome back to the channel. Something new again this time. This time I'm going to give it a crack to make some venison jerky. Just got back from a successful red deer hunt where I managed to harvest a spiker. So I love jerky, but I've never made venison jerky, so I thought let's give it a go. Once again, jumped online, found a few recipes, and over the next couple of days I'm going to give it a go. So first step is I've got some of the meat here that I harvested. It's quite a quick job in the field, we're losing light, so a quick debone on site. Now I've got it back here and I'm going to give it a clean up. So get rid of all the sinew, any loose, any fat, and just a general clean up of the meat. Then what I'm going to do is throw it in the freezer, hopefully just to get it a little bit frozen, and then it's just going to help me cut my jerky slices. So what I've got here is my piece of venison, and as you can see, just needs a good tidy up. So all I'm going to do is just trim off any excess. And just give the meat a clean up. This here sinew, we need to get rid of all that. What I've read, the secret with jerky, you don't want too much fat, you're not going to want the sinew. I think it's going to be chewy enough as it is, let alone chewing on a bit of old dry sinew. So we'll get rid of all this now. Secret is sharp knife, which this one isn't super sharp, but should do the job. Okay, and just like that, there's my venison ready. Get a little bit closer. All cleaned up and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is put that in the freezer now and allow that to cool right down, because what's going to happen is that's going to allow me to get those nice thin cuts that you want to have for your jerky. So I reckon probably an hour and a half in there, it starts to freeze, then we'll get it back out and we'll start slicing up. Okay, so just grab that out of the freezer. Now go through and try and cut it all up. Okay, unfortunately my camera's played up and I've lost some of the footage of me making up the marinade. But what I have here is my venison, which has been marinating overnight. So what I did is I made a marinade predominantly of Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, brown sugar, salt and pepper. And then the main difference, I've made two different batches. This one's just pretty much just those ingredients. But then this one I've made into a bit of a chili. So in addition, I've also added chili flakes, some sriracha sauce, and some Frank's hot sauce. So, like I said, they've been marinating overnight. And now it'll be time to get the smoker ready and begin smoking the jerky. Okay, while my coals are getting warm, I'm gonna set up jerky. Okay, so I've got my jerky all set up. Now I'm just going to put my thermometer in to keep track of the temperature. I don't want it to get too hot. So at the moment we're sitting at 22 degrees Celsius. Beautiful Brisbane winter day. And just going to be smoking it today with some cherry wood. Okay, add the coals. I haven't got too carried away because I don't want it to get too hot. Add the cherry wood. And okay, and there's the finished product. Happy with how it's turned out. All up, it was about 4 hours in the smoker, and then about 3 hours in the oven at about 60 to 70 degrees. And yeah, really happy with how it's turned out. Delicious. Not too chewy. Still a little bit of moisture in there, but that's how I like it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Alright guys, until the next video.